Howdy! Welcome to Aspire Mountain Academy. I'm Professor Curtis, your instructor for this course in Introductory Statistics. In less than 10 minutes, this video describes the concept of marginal change and its relation to linear regression. Let's get started. Marginal change is really just another name for a concept that we're already familiar with. If you understand the general form of your linear regression line, marginal change in one of two variables is simply the amount that one variable changes when the other variable changes by exactly 1 unit. In other words, the marginal change is the slope of your regression line. That's all that it is. Another name for the same dude that we've recognized from working with linear regression. So the slope is what represents marginal change in y that occurs when x changes by 1 unit. That's why it's the same thing. So for the 10 pairs of shoe print lengths and heights that we saw in the last mini lecture, the linear regression equation is what you see here on the screen. The slope of 1.634 tells us if we increase our shoe print length by 1 centimeter, the predicted height of a person increases by 1.634 centimeters. This is simply the marginal change. So it's nothing more or less complicated than the slope of your regression line. That's all it is. And that brings us to the end of this mini lecture. Really mini lecture. I hope you found it helpful. You can find more mini lectures for this and other courses at AspireMountainAcademy.com. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.